Hello guys, welcome back to new video. Today I will show you to the top 5 best barbecue grill tool sets. This will change your experience more than other barbecue grill tools. By the way, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification icon for regular updates. Number 5. Cuisinart CGS 333 Professional Grill Tool Set. Experience the ultimate grilled food with the Cuisinart CGS 333 Professional Grill Tool Set. This set includes a spatula, tongs, and fork that are ideal for grilling. The group is designed to give you optimal grilling length, while the rubber grips ensure a firm grip on your tools. The set is made from stainless steel, making it durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Cuisinart CGS 5014 Deluxe Grill Set. The Cuisinart CGS 5014 Deluxe Grill Set is a complete grill set with everything you need to cook various foods, including steak, seafood, chicken, vegetables, and desserts. This grill set is designed to make cooking fun and easy. The tool set comes with a spatula, grill tongs, silicone basting brush, 4 pairs of corn holders, a cleaning brush, and an extra brush head. Number 3. Pro Grilling Accessories Grill Kit Grill Set. Our grill accessories are designed for grilling enthusiasts. This grill set is designed in high quality with all the tools needed for barbecuing. This grill sets have also included a handy carrying case for easy storage and transport. This set is a must-have for anyone who enjoys barbecuing or grilling. This is a perfect gift for dads, boyfriends, husbands, and anyone who likes to cook outside. Number 2. Cuisinart CGS 134BL Grilling Tool Set. The Cuisinart CGS 134BL Grilling Tool Set is a must-have kitchen tool that lets you grill food quickly and easily. This tool set is designed with a sturdy handle and ergonomic, easy-to-grip black rubberized grips. This tool set is great for grilling meats, fish, and vegetables. It works well with all cooktops, including gas and electric. Number 1. Cuisinart CGS W13 Wooden Handle Tool Set. Cuisinart CGS W13 Wooden Handle Tool Set is crafted from sturdy steel and finished with a stylish brushed stainless finish. This versatile tool set is great for grilling meats, vegetables, and seafood, making pizza, barbecuing, baking, roasting, and more. The tools are designed to work with your grill or oven and are long enough to reach the foods you want to cook. They also feature an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to carry around and store away. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.